Hello first years, welcome back to maths class. Yesterday we discussed about two forms of straight lines. One is intercept form and one is point slope form. Today we will discuss remaining three forms. One is, first one is, that means in those 2 over, third one this one. Today's first topic is slope intercept form. So, when you know the line's slope and it cuts the y-axis at a distance c, right, then we will take slope intercept form of the line equation. If line is there, this is your line, its slope already we know it. If it makes angle theta, we can find the slope by taking the formula m is equal to tan theta, right. So, and it makes the distance, the line intersects at a distance c from origin on y-axis, right. Then we can take the equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This form we have to take. So, now we will solve the problems based on this one. So, first one, find the equation of the straight line makes an angle 60 and it is at a distance of 3 from y-axis. So, here it is, this distance is given as 3 and angle is given as 60 degrees. So, in any problem, so we are solving the third, right, method. This method is third one, right girls. So, what is that? What is the given information to you? Given that theta is equal to, what is the angle? 60 degrees is given. Whenever angle is given, we can find its slope by taking the formula m is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 60. You know by your trigonometry, tan 60 is equal to root 3 and it is given that its y-axis, what is the intercept with y-axis is 3. It intersects the y-axis at 3. So, y-axis intercept is called this one. C value is also given to you. What is that? At 3 it is given, right. So, you take the formula equation of straight line is, whenever we know the slope, we know the intercept, we will take the formula this one, y is equal to mx plus c. So, it is equals to, y is equal to, just to substitute, what is it? Root 3x plus 3. Generally line equation means first x term should come, then y term should come, then constant. So, send y that side. So, it is root 3x, sending y that side, minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That's all for 2 marks question. So, very simple, whenever y intercepts means it is c and slope is given, then slope intercept form. This is the third type of straight line equation. Now come to the next question. What is that question? That is second one. Girls, this one is first one here, but third method. Okay. So, second one, find the equation of this straight line makes an angle 45 and intersects y-axis at minus 2. Same thing, what is the given information to you? Given that theta is equal to 45. Whenever theta is there, we can find the slope. M is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 45. You know the value of tan 45? 1, and y-intercept is given to us. What is y-intercept? It cuts the y-axis at minus 2. So, y-intercept is c is given as minus 2. Therefore, equation of straight line is, what is the equation of straight line? Whenever you know the y-intercept and slope, it is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. So, y is equal to, what is m? That is equals to 1 into x plus c. What is plus c? C is minus 2. So, its value is y is equal to x minus 2. So, generally first x term, then y term, then constant term we should have, so send y that side. So x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 is your required straight line equation. So this is the these are the two problems of our slope intercept form type straight line equations. Whenever we know the slope, whenever we know y-intercept, we have to take this formula. So in the information of the question, slope is given to us, y-intercept is given, we have to solve like this. Now come to the fourth type of, this is third type slope intercept form, fourth type of straight line equations. So what is the fourth type? 2 points form. 2 points form. What is this 2 point form? When we have to use this 2 points form means, suppose the line passes through 2 points. This is your A, this is your B. A point x1, y1, B point x2, y2. So equation of straight line passing through 2 points. First point are passing through 2 points. First point A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 is. What is the formula for this? X minus x1 into y1 minus y2 is equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2. So this is called 2 points form of the straight line equation. This is called slope intercept form. Next to 2 points form of straight line equation. If any line passes through 2 points, we have to take this formula. So we will solve one problem, right, based on this method. Come to the third question here. Find the equation of the straight line passing through these 2 points. So now you take the solution. What are the 2 points given that 2 points are A T1 square, 2A T1 and A T2 square, 2A T2 are 2 points through which the straight line passes through. So you consider this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. So equation of straight line is, what is the equation of straight line? This is the formula x minus x1 into y1 minus y2 is equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2. Be attentive, we have to substitute carefully. X minus x1, what is x1? A T1 square into y1 minus y2, 2A T1 minus 2A T2 y2, 2A T2 is equal to y minus y1, 2A T1 into x1 minus x2, this is A T1 square minus A T2 square. So from these two, 2A can be taken common. X minus A T1 square, take 2A common and write down T1 minus T2, and here y minus 2A T1 into, from these two we can take A common, it is T1 square minus T2 square. A cancel, and the next step y minus 2A T1 into, here A square minus B square form, A plus B into A minus B. So T1 minus T2. So this side T1 minus T2, this side T1 minus T2 get cancel. So now your equation is 2 is there. So it is 2x minus 2a t1 square is equal to, come on, y into t1 plus t2 minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2. You open this bracket, this is y term, you should not disturb. So y into t1 plus t2 minus, come on, open the brackets, 2a t1 square minus of plus minus 2a t1 t2. This side 2a t1 square minus of 2a t1 square, this side minus of 2a t1 square cancel. So finally your equation is 2x minus t1 plus t2 into y, and bring that value this side. What happens? This is positive, it comes negative. Here this is negative, plus 2a t1 t2 is the required straight line equation. 2-point form, very very important, most repeated question also. So just if 2 points are given to us, see the question, find the equation of the straight line passing through these 2 points. If 2 points are given to us, just substitute, take the formula. Which formula we should take? This is the formula. So whenever you get any new formula, try to write that formula 2-3 times and say it once loudly, so that you will be familiar, your brain will be familiar with the terms also. So third form is slope intercept form, and fourth form is 2 points form. Now come to the fifth form, that is normal form of the straight line equation. So what is the last one is normal form. Once again, first one is intercept form, second one is slope intercept form, point slope form, and 2 points form, and last normal form. So now we are doing the last type of the straight line form. What is that? It is normal form. So when we have to take normal form, all of you observe carefully. So suppose this is your line. From the origin, this line's distance is P, and this is called the normal ray. This is called, the line is called, actually it is perpendicular to this line. That's why it is called normal line. If normal line makes an angle alpha with the x-axis, such type of line equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So equation of straight line whose distance from origin is P and normal ray makes an angle alpha is, that line equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So this is your normal form. Whenever we know the distance from origin to that line and its normal makes an angle alpha with the x-axis, then such type of line equation is called x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Now we will solve one problem based on this formula. So come on, find the equation of the straight line whose distance from origin is 4 and P value is given to you, and normal makes an angle pi by 4. That means alpha is given to you. So come on, take the solution. What is the given information? Given that P is given to you. P is equal to 4 and alpha is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 180 by 4 is equal to 45. So we have to find that line equation whose distance from origin is 4 and whose normal makes an angle pi by 4 with the x-axis. So equation of straight line is, what is the formula? This is the formula, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So x cos alpha 45 plus y sin 45 is equal to P is given as 4. So cos 45 1 by root 2 plus y into sin 45 1 by root 2 is equal to 4. Take the LCM. LCM is root 2. So x plus y is equal to 4. So x plus y is equal to 4 root 2. Generally, straight line equation means x term, y term, constant term should be there. So it is x plus y minus 4 root 2 is equal to 0 is the required line equation. This is called the normal form. So in this class we covered the slope intercept form and 2 points form, then normal form. So 2 points form means if straight line passes through 2 points, you have to take that formula, and if it is normal form means if the line is having distance from origin and making its normal makes an angle alpha, right, with the x-axis, then we have to go for normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So this is your normal problem. So now come to homework problem. Find the equation of the straight line whose distance from origin is phi and the normal makes an angle 60 degrees. So very simple. Find the equation of the straight line whose distance from origin is phi is given to you. So that means your P is phi given to you and the angle is given as 60 degrees. That means alpha is given to you as 60 degrees. Okay, so we can easily find its equation by using same procedure. And once you check your 2 points form, here you should be careful while taking, these are the 2 points given to you. We have to find the straight line equation which passes through this one as well as this one. You consider one point as x1, y1, another point as x2, y2. So equation of the straight line, this is the formula. In this formula, you substitute your x minus x1 place we substituted and y1, y2. Similarly, y minus y1 we have to substitute, next x1 minus x2, and observe here 2a is common, take 2a outside, and here a is common, write a outside. So both sides a will get cancel. After that, here it is of the form a square minus b square form. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. Now observe both sides, this side, this side. This side t1 minus t2 is there, this side also t1 minus t2 is there. Both can be cancelled. After that, you multiply y into this term. This is t1 plus t2 means some constant. t1 is constant, t2 is constant. So some constant into y or y into some constant minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2. This is constant into y means it is y term. That's why no need to split it. But this is we have to multiply. So minus 2a1 t1 into t1 minus 2a t1 square minus 2a t1 t2. So both sides if you observe minus 2a t1 square is there. Here also minus 2a t1 square is there. So get cancels. So finally 2x, right? And this term, this is positive. If you bring this side, it comes negative. And this is negative. If you bring this side, you get positive, is equal to 0 is the required straight line equation. Observe x term, y term, constant term. All are constants. A is constant, T1 is constant, T2 is constant. So last term is constant term. X term, this is y term, this is constant term. So when 2 points passes through the line, we have to take this form, 2-point form. Next, normal form. Already I explained what is it. If the line's distance from origin, this is your line L, right? So its distance from origin is P, and this line is called its normal. Why it is called normal? It is perpendicular to this line. See, if you take that side, right, it is perpendicular. So it is called normal ray, makes an angle alpha with the x-axis. In such cases, the line's equation, this line equation should be taken as x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So one homework question also given to you. Try to solve the homework and as well as practice the day's problems on the day itself. It will be easy for you to continue for the next class. That's all, girls. Have a nice day.